Title: Your life won't change until you do this. Listen carefully. Your life is not going to change. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not when you feel ready. Because nothing changes until you do. Think about it. You wake up every day, do the same things, follow the same routine, and expect different results. But deep down, you already know the truth. You're stuck, not because you can't change, but because you don't act. You wait. You wait for motivation. You wait for the right time. You wait for everything to be perfect. But here's the truth. Perfect doesn't exist. And the longer you wait, the more time you lose. So what's the solution? It's simple, but not easy. You need to start before you feel ready. Yes, before the motivation, before the confidence, before everything feels right. Because action creates clarity, not the other way around. Most people think, I need to feel ready first then I'll start. But it's the opposite. You start, and then you become ready. Let me tell you something important. You don't need a new life. You need new actions. Small actions. Repeated daily. That's it. Not a big plan. Not a perfect routine. Just one step. Every single day. Even when you don't feel like it. Because here's what happens when you act. You build momentum. And momentum is powerful. At first, it's hard. Everything feels heavy. Everything feels slow. But if you keep going, it gets easier. Not because life changed, but because you changed. Now imagine this. What if you started today? Just one small thing. Studying for 10 minutes. Working out for 5 minutes. Reading one page. It sounds small, but it's not. Because it's a start. And starting is everything. Most people never start. They stay in their comfort zone. They stay in the same place. Year after year. And then they wonder why nothing changed. Don't be like them. Be the person who starts. Even when it's uncomfortable. Even when it's hard. Even when it's messy. Because that's where growth happens. Final message. Your future is not built by motivation. It's built by action. Daily action. Small action. Consistent action. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop delaying your life. And start. Right now. Because one day, you'll either say, I'm glad I started. Or, I wish I did. Don't quit. Rise with Rhodey. Choose wisely.